Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. So Clinique has what they have like a bonus time, or if you purchase a certain amount of dollar amount, they'll give you a bag full of goodies. So we're unboxing one of those and giving away one of those items to one of you in today's video. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of December. It is the Trend Beauty Glam Babe palette. Now this one is mine. I have a brand new one for you. I don't give away used things here on the channel. So it kind of looks like that. Like I said, this one is mine. I've got a brand new one for you. Just look in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter these. There's a couple other giveaway items there as well. And we've got a bunch more still coming up this month. So be on the lookout for those. And somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. Giveaway is really easy. Just be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Now as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Ciate London Spice palette. And I kind of have this quad going on in my eyes right now. I absolutely love the Clinique skincare. It's amazing. I've been using it 25 years or so. A long time. And I do kind of mix it up with other skincare from other places as well, but their moisturizers, you guys, are so good. So let's find out what goodies they sent. Ooh, this one is one of my favorites. So this is Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap in Mild. This is the face soap that I do use. When I take off my makeup in the evenings, I do it as part of a two-step. I'll use a balm as my first step, and then this as my second step. So this is perfect, especially perfect size for when you're traveling. There's also in here, and not all of these items are skincare, there's some makeup items in here too. Second one is a 7-day scrub cream. These are really good. It's just a little too much for I have pretty sensitive skin, so I'll either do that in today's giveaway or a future one. We've got a full-size item. It is the Clinique Quick Liner for Intense Eyes. It is in Intense Black. Love it. Clinique All About Eyes. This is an amazing eye cream. If you want to depuff those circles, it helps plump it up. Put a little bit on your lips. Will help plump it up. No tingling, no anything like that. Really great. You guys, when my face is feeling a little dry, a little tight, this is my go-to. So this is the Clinique Auto Replenishing Hydrator. It's a skin auto replenishing hydrator. It's supposed to hydrate your skin for 100 hours. My face absolutely loves this. It feels so soft afterwards. It just helps it kind of relax, so it doesn't feel like it's all just tight and dry all the time. Love this. They have one that's like an overnight mask. That's part of their Moisture Surge series. I love that one as well. Guys, this one is always sold out on their website. So this is their Almost Lipstick Black Honey. And I know it looks like this and you're thinking, what? You're going to look like death on your lips. Let me put that on here. It's just this really kind of nude balm shade. Oh, so pretty. I don't know if it's going to work because I've already got some stuff on my lips right now. It's just so pretty. And there is a high impact mascara in black. Love it, you guys. What were your favorite items in here? Mine would be either probably the Moisture Surge or the Black Honey. What were your guys' favorite items? Secret word is Clinique. Let's do give away that mascara. I've just got so many mascaras open, and you don't want to leave mascaras open too long, so I'd much rather give this away to one of you. In the description box down below is the Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, as well as that secret word. So only fill out the form once. You can get bonus entries, but you fill out the form once, and you can mark on the form if you did do those bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them. If you do, because I do check. So the 4 ways to get bonus entries are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this video with your family, friends, your socials. It really means a lot to me when you do. I'm trying really hard to get those watch time minutes up. I gotta get them up. It's a goal for me. If you can help me out with that, that'd be great. If you like this video, give it a big like. It helps out the channel when you do. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra, and make sure the giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through January 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on January 11th, I will take from the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, all the first names, first initial of your last name, and the bonus entries if they did what they're supposed to be doing there. Put those in a computer. The computer spins it around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And we'll announce all of the giveaway winners for the month of December on that January 11th. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. As soon as I mail out the prizes, I delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't share your information. I don't do anything like that. So YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate if you were to check it out. If you don't, that's okay. Hopefully we will see you soon. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And good luck in the giveaway. I'll see you soon. Bye. Woo!